Do you struggle to find the perfect sized box for every order? I did too. Instead of stocking dozens of different boxes, I make a custom sized shipping box in just a few minutes using a corrugated sheet. Let me show you exactly how I do it. So, this roll that you see is a corrugated sheet which is easily available on Amazon. Please find the link in the description if you want to buy it. I'm cutting the corrugated sheet exactly a little bigger from the size of my product that I want to dispatch. Also, I'm using two cardboards to pack my nameplate because I do not want to get it damaged during transit, and it will give it a proper base and hold it together. Now, while folding the corrugated sheet, so you can see the crease on the corrugated sheet. While folding it, fold it exactly from the crease so it gives it a proper finish, and it also gets folded easily along with that. Please follow the visuals, and then I have finally sealed it with a sellotape, and now it is ready to dispatch. If you like the video, or if you think it was of any help to you and your business, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you.